Are you looking for the best drill press in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best drill press that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the WN4208T 2.3 amp 8-inch 5-speed cast iron benchtop drywall press. For homeowners looking for the best drill press for a home shop and the best drill press for gunsmithing, look no further than this benchtop drill press by WN. Features include 5 different speeds ranging from 740 to 3,140 RPMs, a 3rd HP motor, a depth adjustment gauge, and a cast iron worktable capable of reaching 45 degrees in both directions. This machine can drill through metal and plastic, but some customers noted that adjusting the platform on it takes some practice. One happy buyer, however, described it as very stable and accurate. Lightweight and compact, stores easily without taking up much room. It is also quieter than many benchtop drill presses. Up next in the 4th place is the Shop Fox W1848 Oscillating Floor Drill Press. This Shop Fox heavy-duty floor drill press comes with a 1/64, 5/8 inches chuck and an impressive choice of mechanical variable speeds ranging from 250 to 3,050 RPMs. It contains an oscillating spindle with a sander and drum kit, including 12 different speeds, and is one of the top choices for the best drill press for metal around. Since this Shop Fox power tool is so large and heavy, it works best as a stationary staple in a designated area of a shop or garage. Great floor standing drill press, reported one happy shopper, and another wrote, good drill press for any hobby or small home shop. The 3rd product on our list is the Jet 12-inch variable speed benchtop drywall press. Woodworkers looking for a heavy-duty drill press won't be disappointed with this Jet drill press with its specialized laser that allows for more exact drilling. That, along with its powerful 5-amp motor, extendable work table, and easy-to-change speeds make it a strong contender for the best drill press for woodworking. Heavy and solid for a benchtop model drill press for woodworking, described one 5-star reviewer, and another added, having variable speed is a luxury I never really had. The crank to raise and lower the table works well. The mechanical speed control works well and smoothly. 2nd on our list is the MAOR 1200W magnetic drill press, another lightweight and portable drill press option. This MAOR model comes with a comfortable grip that makes carrying it around easier. This drill press is less than 2 feet tall and a foot wide and can easily fit most standard tables for an effortless setup. It can handle larger jobs with its electromagnet bottle that increases stability, an alignment rod that adds additional strength, and also adjusts the motor's height. One reviewer wrote, easy to move and very accurate when magnetized. I was very happy with it for the price. Finally, the top product on our list is the Milescraft 1318 DrillMate Portable Drill Guide. While not a complete drill press tool, this Milescraft drill press guide, which got rave reviews on Amazon, is a good option if you already own a hand drill and want more precise straight or angled hand drilling capabilities. Its spindle contains 2 ball bearings that increase drilling accuracy, while the rubber holds improved grip on a flat, stable surface. The angled head can be set to 4 different degrees, and it works with almost all 3/8 inches drill fittings and contains a chuck key. One customer explained, very good tool for near drill press precision from your hand drill, and another described, nice straight drilling, way better than freehanding when a drill press won't work. Love the ability to do angles on the project site. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.